Hi guys. Today we will create a badge in Illustrator. First, create a square. Then curve the edges using the Direct Select tool. Now rotate the square using the Selection tool. Make a copy of the square. Remove its filling and give the stroke a white color. Make strokes dash lines. Now make a copy of red square again and minimize its size by holding Shift. Change the color to dark shade. Now add text using the Type tool. Enter your text. Increase its size. Set the text in the middle. Change the color of the text. Now change the style of the text. Align accordingly. Select the star tool and make a star. Change the color to white. Copy the star. Reduce its size. Create another copy and press Ctrl D to duplicate. Arrange the stars accordingly. Now to create a ribbon, make a rectangle. Arrange it in the center. Change the color. Select the pen tool. Create a similar shape. Create a triangle with pen tool. Give it a dark shade. Group the shapes. Make a copy and right-click. Select Transform, Reflect, then OK. Drag to the other corner. Select Type tool to create text. Add your text. Change to darker color. Group all the ribbon items. Now group the badge items. Select both and use the Shape Builder tool to remove the outer part. Our badge is now completed. Thank you for watching. Comment below your suggestions.